there. And thank you.
Hello guys, I hope audio is working this video. Anyways, today we are going out fishing and look at this. Look at this sign. Beware of alligators. Beware of alligators.
It's for real, right?
Anyways, we're here. My brother's asleep. There's birds? Where are the birdies?
Vultures. Vultures are eating.
I see birdies.
Not like that, but like which way is it? I mean, I want to know. Yeah, you come in. Come in to the left. All right, go to the right. Okay, don't tell them our spot, bro. It's kind of chilly out here. Yeah, actually. It's good though. I think it feels good. You're probably gonna get sick.
Look at this. This is nature.
Oh, this is it right here? That was it? Oh, it's one person though. Oh, yeah. Yeah, but they ain't gonna last, so we'll come back maybe.
Let's go towards the back. The other spot where they got.
Oh, yeah.
This is our spot normally.
Yep.
Someone's fishing.
Somebody is fishing in our fishing spot. This is good. Oh.
It's not that
You don't have a
You could always park.
This crazy was like, hey, you have a cell phone? Yeah, hey, text me when you're gonna leave, bro. I can come over here, okay? Nah. That's what you would do on the recordings of the off-road?
Yeah, just get like specific. Well, I was always intending on editing at the end, like making a good video out of it. Just put a little, just a split second, you know.
Man just tore up. Man, I remember that video we made. Matt was just commentating on the whole thing. Here's the pause, you have to get stuck, like it's done. Like, all that noise.
Beautiful out here.
So he has to catch it here, this guy? Because there's plugins there, right?
What's about it?
Oh, really? Eh, but true. Imagina. Wow, looks like it gets deep here too.
Dang.
Look at that guy. Any bait? Yeah, going where there's not even no street, right? Oh, yeah. What? Where?
If you guys think there's no audio, there is. I'm just not talking how beautiful this is. Not. Potty potty.
Nah.
Blah, blah, blah.
This guy's probably. Man. It's muddy though.
Yeah, I know where to go. It's one of the parties. It's really cool.
Yeah.
We're doing the parking.
Oh, okay. Like you're gonna walk off. Walk off, yeah. Like the car's closer. We parked over there, right? Yeah.
Oh my goodness, there are so many bumps. How is he not awake?
So sometimes the more noise you make,
All right.
sleep.
Earlier I was playing Idle Miner Tycoon. I only got to play it for a little bit, but it was a pretty cool game.
I would be like.
That's a lot of water. I remember that spot. I remember that spot over there. Hey, this spot's open.
That's not bad right there, though. there though. Why though?
There's a bunch of porta potties up here.
Right now, let's go out this year. That tent's right there. That night you go to there. Oh, yeah.
Dang.
We parked here one time, didn't we? Oh, dump, yeah, right there, dude. Perfect.
There's a lot of bumps. There's a lot of bumps. A lot of bumps. There's a lot of bumps. Oh my goodness. Jeez. Oh wow. Oh. What happened there?
Sit right here, boys.
Looks like a good spot.
Not bad at all.
Should we get moving?
Come on in, let's check it out.
Alright, I'm gonna go do this for my views. I'm kidding. I don't care about views. I just like videos. I watched YouTube since I was freaking 4, 3.
Oh.
I loved it. YouTube was my favorite, and now I get to make my own channel. Just look at this. It's amazing out here.
Yeah. How do you have little? Yours? Yeah. Or is it on an angle? That's probably why. Your tire's kind of low, but maybe not because it's on a hill. Angle.
It's kind of squashy there.
Squishy. Oh yeah.
Yeah, I think it's just that little
Hill, yeah.
Well, let him take a nap.
It's kind of squashy over there, isn't it?
It'd be easy to put in the ground, right? Because it's wet.
Yeah, because look over there. So right here, but it's all freaking.
Right here's the other one.
Say there used to be a fireplace here.
Fire spot.
Yeah, a fire spot.
See some nails in there.
Right here, one right here. Two right maybe over here.
Wow, that is